How to choose the best CMS platform for e-commerce website builder. The current CMS becomes the best platform for many startup or small online businesses as it helps them to manage and build websites to explore themselves among the wide range of businesses. CMS is the abbreviation of Content Management System, which is a computer application that renders tools to administer, collaborate, and authorize the website. Even though there are many CMS options, overall, it takes a vital role in building websites quickly, allows storing content and managing it effectively, offers user-friendly interfaces, and manages the progress of work. Opting CMS for business growth is a wonderful idea, but there are certain things that needs to be considered more carefully while selecting the best CMS for your store. CMS is not only a platform, but also a booster to bring reputation to your e-commerce website and business, to guide the buyers to take favorable buying decisions. And obviously to give the result, profit. Whatever may be the business, e-commerce website has to be built with the aim of satisfying the current and future needs of your business. This particular computer application helps in managing the content of your website by allowing the process of web publishing, editing, preparing, maintaining, and deleting from a cardinal interface. Before selecting the CMS, one has to get a better idea about the functionality of the various CMS options and pick the one or the combination of two or more that suits your business needs well. A better platform has to allow your website to expand continuously to be fit for future endeavors. The CMS selection process is not an easy task, however. Every step of the selection process is very important as it is what that holds the reputation of your business and takes it to the next level. Undoubtedly, CMS will provide better solution to manage the business in a collaborative environment. There are many CMS, content management system, available on the web, through web hosting services or hosting control panel which easily create and manage your own online store, without encountering inefficiency and excessive complications that can ward users. The greatest interest, as well as the management of websites, is to make the site clear and simple in the same way that give visitors all the necessary amenities so that they can evaluate what are the products, services you want to sell. But what is the best CMS platform for your e-commerce website? We look at these which are the most famous CMS and being used by more people today. I will try to point out very briefly because it is very well known and familiar with users. WordPress for e-commerce. Why yes, WordPress is universally recognized as the most used CMS on the web, secure, stable and easy to use. It is precisely great due to its simplicity that allows you to manage a website even if you do not have expertise in coding or designing. In addition to these aspects, a point that makes WordPress very interesting is the great availability of plugins with which to complete and optimize your site, even with regard to e-commerce. There are many plugins for doing e-commerce from WP. Although it is the most famous CMS and the easiest to handle, must always keep in mind that WordPress was born as an ideal platform for blogging, for creating and managing a blog with a great level of SEO optimization, as well as the easy to use already expressed previously. with regard to e-commerce. Therefore, it is not the best solution because of excessive instability and a lack of basic functions for this type of activity, so we should look to other solutions. Joomla for e-commerce. Why yes, in this case we are faced with one of the most used CMS web, suitable for the creation of websites without the need to have some kind of technical skills. There are several extensions for Joomla e-commerce. Y number as mentioned earlier for WordPress. Even in this case we can say that yes, we can build and manage our e-commerce website with Joomla, but it is not the best solution, because Joomla was created specifically for the creation of websites, but with regard to e-commerce, may get some problems. Just as WordPress, Joomla can also be used for the e-commerce also thanks to the presence of the extensions that we have cited, but it will always be a solution of convenience, less powerful and less adaptable than the CMS created precisely for the trade electronic. Drupal for e-commerce. Why yes, Drupal is characterized by being one of the best open source CMS in circulation, which allows us to create and manage a website, a blog or community. It is a very powerful CMS, which by its nature arises as a solution suitable for a corporate and professional use. There is a great plugin for e-commerce, Drupal Commerce. The real point of strength of this CMS is the presence of the official community in which to compare and seek help from professionals and developers. Y number CMS in question can be used without problems for the launch and management of our online store, but we will be rewarded with the best performance. Drupal is not built as e-commerce system, so we cannot enjoy the level of performance that could guarantee us a software developed specifically for this sector. PrestaShop for e-commerce. Why yes, so we come to what is probably the best choice for the e-commerce sector. PrestaShop fact is a CMS that was created specifically for e-commerce, so we can consider it as a pure resource and optimal for what is our business. Due to its ease of use, PrestaShop is the ideal solution for the configuration of your e-commerce. In addition, many extensions and themes that will allow the user to change every aspect of your online store are available. Y number there are no real reasons to say that PrestaShop cannot be the best option available for e-commerce. Some its issues are not easy to manage or the level of customization a bit limited. Magento for e-commerce. Why yes, like PrestaShop just mentioned, Magento is also an open source CMS to e-commerce, therefore, suitable for the creation of your online store. Point to Magento provides the user with a series of big advantages seen the powerful marketing tools and product management. There are many features that make Magento the best choice like PrestaShop, like the ability to post reviews about products or even sheets of the individual products. Y number there is a valid reason for not considering the ideal solution for Magento e-commerce. Absolutely not, unless some consideration subjective someone as mentioned earlier for PrestaShop.